The start of the school year brings plenty of ups and downs, and it'll have a similar effect on the ACT's COVID figures. The number of new cases has dropped every day for the past week, but that's expected to change as thousands of rapid antigen tests are handed out to school kids.
With 8 times the level of testing, so about 200,000 tests out in the community this week, as opposed to about 25,000 through the PCR system.
The capital's caseload will soar, but it's not necessarily a cause for concern.
We're likely to pick up a lot of asymptomatic cases, people who otherwise wouldn't have come forward to get tested because they weren't experiencing any symptoms.
The expected rise means rules requiring masks to be worn indoors have been extended until late February, as have restrictions for hospitality venues, such as the requirement to remain seated while drinking, capacity caps and a ban on dancing.
And we have to have everyone seated, and there's only so much room for tables and chairs. At this stage, we're probably operating at a less than 50% at what we can.
The owners of Civic's Fiction nightclub say there'll be grave consequences if restrictions aren't wound back soon.
If these restrictions continue, then unfortunately I can't see ourselves and other surrounding businesses surviving at this stage.
It's led to calls for more government support in the wake of a $1 billion package announced by the New South Wales government yesterday.
I had feedback from local businesses that said, you know what, we would love this, but we have no confidence that this ACT Labor Greens government will be able to actually implement it.
The ACT government says it has already released its support package.
We did that last week ahead of New South Wales. It's more generous than New South Wales in the industry sectors that are hurting the most. And we've extended our small business hardship scheme.
That scheme has been extended to late February, when it and restrictions will be reassessed. Peter Lusted, ABC News, Canberra.